Okay, what are you doing now?
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, get you some. Woo, doggy. That's the Colt mag insert.
Yep.
Works fine, lasts a long time. How's that sight at 1 power looking through there like that?
Oh, it's real small, but
It works like a red dot though?
works kind of like a red dot.
Well, there you go.
Has a lot of the black ring around the outside,
Yeah.
but you could see a little circle.
So
you can see the reticle through it.
you just put the red dot on there and pull the trigger and it hits?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just put a reticle on it and it goes.
Straight 1 power. That's kind of how they work.
Yep.
All right, cool. Got more mags?
Yep.
Oh,
A lot more.
that's an empty one, isn't it?
Yeah, this one's empty.
Oh.
This one's not.
How's the recoil shooting one-handed?
Not bad. It's about like a normal 9mm.
Gun doesn't even move.
Yeah.
They never run out of ammo. It's almost like Hollywood. Cool. All right, sign off.